The first look at the Pixel 11 Pro XL is finally here, and the reaction is exactly what many expected. Fresh leaks have revealed the design of Google's next big flagship, and at first glance, it feels very familiar. In fact, it might feel a little too familiar. Over the past few weeks, the entire Pixel 11 lineup has slowly leaked piece by piece. First came the Pixel 11 Pro Fold with a slightly updated camera module. Then the standard Pixel 11 showed up with slimmer bezels and small refinements. After that, the Pixel 11 Pro appeared, again looking very close to its predecessor. And now, the Pixel 11 Pro XL has joined the party, completing the picture. And here's the surprising part, or maybe not so surprising. There are almost no major design changes. The Pixel 11 Pro XL looks nearly identical to last year's Pixel 10 Pro XL. The same overall shape, the same camera bar layout, and the same design language continue here. If the devices were placed side by side, it would be hard to tell them apart at first glance. But there is one small change that stands out. The camera bar on the back is now fully black from end to end. On the previous model, the camera bar partially matched the color of the phone's body. This time, Google seems to be going for a cleaner and more unified look. It may sound like a tiny detail, but visually, it actually adds a bit of elegance. The all-black camera strip gives the phone a more premium and cohesive appearance. Still, it's a very small update in the bigger picture. And that's really the main story here. There are no bold redesigns, no dramatic shifts, and no eye-catching surprises. Google seems to be sticking to a "don't fix what isn't broken" strategy. However, this approach comes with a downside. While consistency can be a good thing, it can also start to feel repetitive. And in a market where competitors are constantly experimenting with new designs, standing still might not be enough to grab attention. Looking closer at the leaked dimensions, the story stays the same. The Pixel 11 Pro XL is expected to measure around 162, 10 by 76, 5 by 8, 5 millimeters. That's almost identical to its predecessor, with only a tiny 0.1 mm difference in height and width. This also suggests that the display will remain unchanged. A large 6.8-inch screen is expected once again, along with similar bezels. So, for anyone hoping for a major display upgrade or a new form factor, this might feel a bit disappointing. When it comes to colors, things are still uncertain. The leaked renders show a blue version of the device, but this may not be final. It's possible that Google will introduce new color options at launch, but for now, nothing is confirmed. Moving on to performance, this is where things could get more interesting. The Pixel 11 Pro XL is expected to feature a brand new Tensor G6 processor. This chip will likely bring improved performance, better efficiency, and enhanced AI capabilities. Google has been focusing heavily on AI features in recent years, so it wouldn't be surprising to see even more advanced tools powered by this new chip. From smarter photography to faster voice processing, the Tensor G6 could play a big role in shaping the overall experience. Battery life is another area where expectations are high. Reports suggest that the phone could come with a 200 mAh battery. That would be a solid upgrade and could help deliver longer usage times, especially when combined with the efficiency improvements of the new processor. As for RAM, things are a bit unclear. The current generation offers up to 16 GB. But there are rumors that Google might reduce this to 12 GB in order to keep costs under control. With rising chip prices affecting the entire industry, this could be a possibility. However, nothing is confirmed yet, so it's best to wait for official details. Pricing will be a key factor in determining the success of this device. The Pixel 10 Pro XL launched at around first $200, and it's unclear whether Google will be able to maintain that price. With competitors like the Galaxy S26 Ultra pushing prices even higher, Google has an opportunity to position itself as a more affordable flagship option. If the company manages to keep the price competitive while delivering strong performance and useful features, the Pixel 11 Pro XL could still become one of the top Android phones of 2026. But there's one big question that remains. Is playing it safe enough? The smartphone market is more competitive than ever. Brands are experimenting with foldable designs, new materials, and unique features to stand out. In comparison, the Pixel 11 Pro XL feels like a continuation rather than a transformation. That doesn't mean it will be a bad phone. In fact, based on previous models, it will likely offer a great camera system, smooth software, and reliable performance. But visually and conceptually, it may struggle to excite users who are looking for something new. At the end of the day, the Pixel 11 Pro XL seems to be a device that focuses on refinement rather than reinvention. It builds on a proven formula, improves a few details, and adds a new chip to enhance performance. For some users, that will be enough. For others, it might feel like déjà vu. As more leaks and official announcements arrive in the coming months, a clearer picture will emerge. there is still time for Google to surprise everyone with new features or improvements that haven't leaked yet. Until then, the Pixel 11 Pro XL stands as a familiar face in a rapidly evolving market. What are your thoughts on this design? Is it clean and refined, or just too repetitive? Share your opinion in the comments below. And don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the latest tech updates.